Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install Canva plugin to ChatGPT. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm on the official Canva website, so you can use Canva plugin to own your ChatGPT account. So you can use your imagination to describe the Canva template you want to generate using ChatGPT. So log in into your ChatGPT Plus account. Make sure to activate the Canva plugin. In the message field, describe the design job you want within as much detail as possible, including the style you are after. And then this ChatGPT plugin will suggest templates that are relevant to your needs. And then once you select a template, it will reroute you to Canva so you can customize, share or download the design. So this is how simple it is. You just have to go to plugins on ChatGPT and select Canva and install it, and then you just have to log into your ChatGPT Plus account and activate the Canva plugin, and then you have to just describe whatever type of template you want. And yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.